Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is SUKHYYY from Beautyio. If you like this makeup look right here, please do continue watching. It's my classic smoky eye with sort of a pinky neutral lip. And it's really just to get ready with me. I'm running late for an event. So I really wanted to show you guys how I did this look. If you're interested, please do continue watching and don't forget to like, subscribe. And don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. Bye! I feel like I always have to play music when I'm getting ready. I don't know why. It's like boring, gets boring otherwise. So the first thing I'm gonna do is actually apply some moisturizer to my face. I'm gonna layer a huge amount on because my skin is just too dry for me to handle. I'm just gonna put that all over my face. The thing I'm gonna do is just apply foundation all over my skin, and I'm going to be using the NARS foundation stick in Punjab 1, and I'm just going to apply that all over my face. I'm just going to squeeze it out because it's almost done as well. So I'm just going to take some out, put it on my hand, and just blend all of that out. I'm just taking that and just applying it all over my face. And I want to concentrate it more under my eyes because that's where my makes were a little bit worse than usual. And then you're just going to blend all of that out. Okay. So then I'm just going to go ahead and blend it on my neck as well. Okay. So the next thing I want to do is actually use a bronzer and a highlighter to help contour and highlight my face. So next I'm going to be using the Candle Glow Sheer Perfecting Powder in the shade in number 3, and I'm just going to be using that to set my foundation all over my face. I'm just going to take this and just put it all over my face. And highlight certain parts of my face. And I'm going to be using the MAC Mineralized Highlight. This is the shade Soft and Gentle. And I'm just going to be taking a little bit on this fluffy brush and just highlighting the areas that I want to focus on. Okay. So just on the top of my nose, across my cheeks. Taking it all the way up, really. I'll put a little bit on the sides as well, but it just gives you like a natural glow. Can I see that? The blush that I'll be using today is this Chanel blush. It's in the shade 180 Caress, I think. Caress. And I'm just going to apply this on my cheeks. So just dab, dab, dab. And this is not very pigmented, so I feel like I have to go into it a couple times to put it on my cheeks. And then you're just going to apply it on the apples of your cheeks. Just like that. Good. So now that I have my base completed, I'm going to do my eyes and also finish up my lips. So you can see the palette is really, really nice. It's a Smashbox Full Exposure Kit. And I'm going to be using the neutral shades right here to create a base, and then these shades to create the smoky eye, and then I'm going to layer it with the shimmery shades at the top. So I'm going to be using one of the beige neutral shades to create a base on my eye. And I'll do it to show you guys right here. Actually, I really want to use this one because I'm wearing contact lenses and I find this brush a little bit softer. So I'm just going to use this to create the base. Okay, and I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Okay, and then I'm going to use the chocolatey brown here and the black and gray to kind of create this ends, the smoky eye. And I'm going to be using this brush right here. Blending all of that out. It doesn't help when you're wearing contact lenses. I can tell you that. A bit more black to the eyes just to give them more of a smoky illusion. Just staying close to sort of the lashes when I'm adding the black. So you don't want to make yourself look like you have a black eye if you go too far up. So I've done brown, like a bunch of neutrals, different shades of brown, and then I'm just adding black into it. And I'm pretty happy with the way it's turning out. Okay, and I'm just gonna take the black and just add a bit more to the bottom. Sorry, I'm gonna take the black and just add a bit more to the bottom, just like that. I'm just taking the brush and just bringing the smokiness down. Just doing the same thing on the other side. So what this does is it kind of creates a smoky eye at the bottom of your eye as well. Because my room is very, very bright, so it makes it hard for you guys to be able to see, but you should be okay now. Okay, so like I said, I'm just gonna take some more black eyeshadow and just apply it to the bottom of my lid, just like that. The same thing on the other side, just apply it to the bottom of my lid, just like that. Okay, there you go. So you can see the eyes starting to come together really nicely here. You can see that the smoky eye is trying to come together really nicely. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I just want to apply a little bit of glitter to the eyes, or you could say like a shimmer to the eyes. So I'm just going to take my Urban Decay eyeshadow. This is Moon Dust, and it's like a shiny, it's a really pretty shiny color. So I'm just going to apply that to my eyes. And that's this one here. You guys got to take a look at how pretty that is. It is beautiful. So I'm just going to apply that to my eyes. And the brush that I'm going to be using, I'm debating which one I should use, but you're going to see how beautiful this color is. It's just, oh my god, I'm just in love. It is just so beautiful. Wait till I show you guys properly. Yeah. I'm gonna try to come closer. You You want to stay close to the eyelashes and not go too high up, because then it tends to look a little bit odd. But here, I'll show you guys how that looks. So I'll show you guys how that looks. So this is the MAC brush stroke liner. Yeah, and it's in brush black. So I'm just gonna apply that into my eyes now. Create a wing. Just like that, and then you're just gonna connect it. And bring it all the way to the front. You can see it kind of coming together nicely. And I just want it to be a little bit longer, so I'm just gonna stretch that, just like that. You can see that. Just have to fix it a tad bit from the end, and this is when you usually mess up. Okay, so that's the first side. You can see it looks really pretty, and now I have to attempt to do the same thing on the other side. So just wing it out. And then okay guys, so I'm just gonna finish up. So I think it's pretty much done for the eyes. I just want to add a little bit more shimmer. I feel like I can't get enough of this eyeshadow. It is so damn nice. So I'm just gonna apply a little bit more and just make it a little bit more dramatic. So just add, I'm just gonna add a little bit more to the side. Really layer it in like that, and just make this side a little bit more dramatic as well, just like that. Okay, now you can see both sides are bonito. Okay, so I'm just gonna fill in my eyebrows as well. So what I'm gonna use is this brush right here, small one, and I'm just gonna fill in my eyebrows. And I use the brown shade, not the black shade, because I don't like when I use black, because it tends to make your eyebrows look a little bit too artificial, in my opinion. So I like to use dark, and I always go towards the ends of the eyebrow first before I do the front, because that also like helps to keep your eyebrows looking natural. It also helps to keep your eyebrows looking natural. You can see it looks very dramatic now. Okay, finally, I think the eyes are done. Okay, so I mean, and we've done a majority of the face as well. So what I want to do now is just apply my lips, and I'm still debating which color I want to do. Should I do light or should I do dark? I feel like this is my chance to really make it pop. Let's do a really bright color. I'm gonna try it on with you guys. I have this one really pretty fuchsia, but I don't know if it's a bit too much for, I don't know. What do you guys think? I think because my eyes are really bold, I think I'm gonna do a neutral lip. So I'm gonna use this shade. It's the color Spice from Lip Liner. It's a lip, oh my god. So I'm gonna use the lip liner from MAC called Spice, just to line my lips. And I think I'm gonna stick to a neutral lip color for now. If I feel dramatic, I can always add. So I'm just gonna create the outline of my lips with that. Oopsies. Okay. And on top of that, I'm thinking of applying. What do you guys think? Should I do like a fuchsia pink? Like a really bright pink? Yeah, I think I can make it work. Okay. So I have a little bit of lip balm on, so it's hard to apply. Okay. So okay guys, this is the final look. Alright guys, this is the final look. Please do let me know what you think. If you like this look, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. It's a super easy makeup look, kind of like all my looks because I'm just a lazy girl. And it's a super easy look. Really just uses like maybe 10 products. So if you like it, do let me know, and I will make similar videos. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys. Bye!